everyone, this is Rebecca Jane from yogawithrebeccajane.com. Welcome to our class where we will be concentrating on Ana Forrest Abdominals. What we're going to do is come onto our back for our Ana Forrest Abdominals. So lying on your back with your feet, walk your heels towards your bottom, not too close, not too far. You can place a block between your legs if you wish, or not. It's not absolutely necessary. Feet are going to stay on the ground for this. This is a basic Ana Forrest. Hands behind your head, elbows angle in towards each other. Rest your head in your hands to begin. Taking a breath in, you're going to lift your head and shoulders off the ground. And as you hold your breath, you lift the tailbone up. And as you exhale, elbows lift up a little bit higher. Look towards your navel. Keep your tailbone lifted. Squeeze up the pelvic floor up and draw the belly muscles in. Then inhale, lower the tailbone down, but just lower to the upper part of your shoulders. So we're squeezing our inner thighs. We're squeezing our tummy muscles. Taking a breath in, lifting your tailbone up. Exhaling, lift your elbows, point towards the ceiling a little bit higher, and then draw the pelvic floor up, the tummy muscles in, and then inhale, lower the tailbone down, come to the upper part of your shoulders. We'll do 2 more sets. Holding the breath, tailbone lifts, exhaling, elbows lift a little bit higher, draw the pelvic floor in, tummy muscles in, and then inhale, lower the tailbone down. 1 more set, come to the upper part of the shoulders. Holding the breath, tailbone lifts. Exhaling, draw up through the pelvic floor, tummy pulls in, and elbows lift a little bit higher. Looking towards your navel, and then inhale, lower down. All the way down, release the block if you happen to have one. And let's give yourself a hug. The benefits of this is it helps with circulation, within especially the abdominal region and the groin and our sexual organs. But it also tones our back muscles, our tummy muscles, improves circulation, gives us energy, all these wonderful things, heats up our bodies. And then let's place the feet down and take a pause. So this is Rebecca Jane from yogawithrebeccajane.com. Thank you for joining me for this short piece on Ana Forrest abs. If you enjoy my videos, subscribe, just press that button to the right-hand side. Give me some comments and a thumbs up. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Namaste, everyone. Mwah.